I mean, I'm a collector since 1966. So this is my 50th anniversary. I was just telling a few people about that. I told my wife I have a 50th anniversary, and she looked at me like I was nuts. She asked me if I wanted a party. I said, oh, okay.
How did you get started?
As a coin collector? My dad. I mean, I had great parents. They pushed and pushed and pushed. I grew up in a home where my parents said to me, what you put in here, nobody can take away from you. And what you put in, you will get back out. And I do a lot of things. I love what I do. How many people can do their hobby for their job? Man, I consider myself like the luckiest person on the planet, especially since I'm not in the White House. I love my work. I've been kind of like many things in my life. I was in the dental industry for over 30 years. I grew up in the dental industry. My dad had a dental laboratory. I learned how to work with metals and porcelain and a lot of stuff, lost wax casting processes and all of that back in the 60s. I got to hold a torch and cast gold by the time I was 12 and not burn the house down. And my dad put me to work early. And matter of fact, him and I had the first dental lab in the Houston Medical Center. We opened up the first one that was actually in the medical center in the Scurlock Tower. Those of you know Houston. We opened that up in the beginning of 1981. And we were there till the end of '84. I got like one more minute? Yeah, 2 more minutes. And
How do you turn this on and off?
It's on the right buttons, and it's off, all off, and it's 1 minute. So.
I've been involved in a lot of dental technology. I have a couple of patents in materials science in dental technology. I met a dentist here this morning. My work was the development of processes for the industry that became porcelain and veneering. I developed the porcelain techniques of, how many of you know what porcelain laminates or porcelain veneers are? The porcelain covers to go over teeth. That was my work. I developed that in 1983. By 1987, I had the materials perfected for the laboratory industry. And I was in product development, manufacturing, you name it. Now, I received my, my appraisal license. I'm a certified numismatic appraiser with the American Society of Appraisers. There are 6 of us in the United States that are government certified. I'm the only one in the state of Texas. So I work for banks, insurance companies, the federal government, you name it, expert witness in the courts. I love my work. I can tell you dirt till the cows come home. But with my chemical background and everything and all, of course, I was playing with stuff on coins from this